Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience using Verizon. Verizon, found at Verizon.com, is a telecommunications giant offering a wide range of services. From mobile phone plans with varying data allowances and international options, to internet service delivered through fiber optics, DSL, and 5G home internet, Verizon aims to be a one-stop shop for connectivity. They also provide Fios TV, a television service delivering entertainment through traditional cable channels and on-demand options. Business solutions are another key component of Verizon's offerings, providing tailored communication and network solutions for companies of all sizes. Navigating their website, you'll find details on coverage maps, pricing, device availability, including smartphones, tablets and hotspots, and customer support options. Verizon emphasizes its network reliability and speed, frequently highlighting 5G coverage and performance. They also offer a variety of deals and promotions, often bundled with specific devices or services, which can be found on their website and in marketing materials. Beyond core services, Verizon ventures into other tech areas, including things like connected car technology and smart home solutions, demonstrating a focus on integrating technology into various aspects of modern life. Exploring the site further, you'll encounter sections dedicated to explaining their technology, network infrastructure, and commitment to customer service. They also often feature information about current promotions and deals, encouraging visitors to explore options for upgrading their existing services or adding new ones. Remember, understanding the specifics of any plan or service requires carefully reviewing the details provided on the Verizon website.